weeks into doing cold outreach, I booked my first call. I saw the notification come in and I genuinely did not expect it. But I want to tell you the honest version of what happened because it was not what I thought it was. I was working with an agency and I still do, and my job was to send cold messages to business owners from the owner's account because he was the one getting on the calls. He had a system, whole process of outreach he had built, and I was the one implementing it without knowing how any of it worked. I was just following steps and sending messages, hoping something came back. 2 weeks in and I got one call booked. I looked at the conversation to understand why it happened, and the reason was not the message. I had been following up with that lead consistently multiple times over those 2 weeks, and at some point during those follow-ups he went and looked at the owner's profile, checked out his content, and to find out what he was about. And that is what made him book. Not my message, not my follow-up sequence. The personal brand that was already there that he discovered because I kept showing up. The call happened, but the lead did not close. I still remember sitting there and thinking that I did everything the assistant told me to do, but it still did not work. But after that, I kept going. More messages, more follow-ups. I was getting replies, some positive, some people telling me to stop messaging them, but nothing was turning into a booked call. And then came a full month where nothing came back at all. No replies, no calls, nothing. I was reaching out to people that I had not properly qualified, running a system that I still did not fully understand. And the silence during that month was the most uncomfortable stage I had been through. Because silence in outbound does not tell you whether you are doing it wrong or you haven't done it enough yet. And not knowing the difference is what breaks most people. I did not quit. I kept going and I started paying more attention to who I was reaching out to and why. Then a reply came in after that month of silence. Not a call booking, just random reply. He went back and forth a few times in DMs. No pitch deck, no formal process. Just a conversation between two people. And somewhere in that conversation, he said he was in. He wanted us to write a script for him every single month. That was the first client we closed through me. Not from a perfectly timed message, not from a system running the way it was supposed to. From a conversation that felt like the two people actually talking. The first call that did not close taught me that outreach alone cannot carry the weight of the closed team. The month of silence taught me that volume without direction is just noise. And the client we closed in the DMs without a single call taught me something which I have not forgotten since. The goal of outreach is not the meeting, it's the conversation. If you are doing outbound and nothing is actually working, then you are 1 or 2 steps away from something actually moving. Either who you are reaching out to or how the conversation is going once someone replies. And I went through both. If you want to know what exactly changed, my Instagram is in the description. Send me a DM and I will reply.